Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will do mandala art. So let's get started. For making the mandala, first you will take the compass and make a bigger one circle. First take the half now I will tell we need 19.5 a big circle and now make the smaller circle from this. Take the half and this is 17.1 circle, and now make the smaller circle from this circle. Now we will make one more smaller circle. Again one more. Now the measurements are, here are these measurements. Note down. Make this small line with the help of pencil in the smaller curve only. Now we will make a flower. First make a small semicircle in the half and then make a petal like this, and now we will make the lotus. On the other side also. On this we will make a sunflower. Make semicircle and then make its petals. On this sides left area we will make these designs. First make a line, make curves on these sides, on the both sides. Make the same also on this sunflower part. And now no need to make any, we will paint this. Okay, now on this circle we will make the pattern. You need to outline these circles. Now, first on this circle we will make a design of long petals. First, make a dot, make a curve big, make the line of the center, and now make these wings of these leaves. And same pattern here also. On this area we will make a heart. This is the mirror image, and then shade it. Same in this circle. Make the wider triangles and then make a small semicircle. Make 2 petals, 1, 2, and then same here also 1, 2, and then shade this part. Leftover part, shade. So guys, I have completed with this pattern. So now we will make this type of design. Okay, like this. Make like this all. Completed this pattern. Now we will first outline this circle with the help of black pen. So guys, now we will make a circle and now make these lines. Only this much. Make the same pattern in the circle, same, and the leftover space we will fill it. The last pattern of triangle is to make triangle big, shade it, इसको हमने अच्छे से शेड करना है और फिर पहले यहाँ पे बिग डॉट, देन स्मॉल एंड देन स्मॉल. For heart shape pattern, we need to make a heart. Make line in the center. One line is of lines, one side is of lines and other is of dots. Easy. So we are making heart shape pattern. So guys, we have completed with our mandala art. Thanks for watching my video.